Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the continuation of my previous topic on Venturi meter, on solving the problems on Venturi meter. In my previous three parts, I was solving on the Venturi meter, horizontal Venturi meter problem, while in this video, we'll be doing a problem on inclined Venturi meter. Okay, so let's see what the question is about and we'll try to solve the problem. If you have any doubts regarding this problem, do comment in the comment section. Okay, now in this question we have find the discharge of water which is flowing through the pipe having 30 centimeter dia placed in an inclined position where a Venturi meter is inserted having a throat dia of 15 centimeter. The difference of pressure between the main and the throat is measured by a liquid of specific gravity 0.6 in an inverted U-tube, which gives a reading of 30 centimeter. The loss of head between the main and the throat is 0.2 times the kinetic head of the pipe. Now, how do you understand whether it's a horizontal Venturi meter problem or whether it's an inclined Venturi meter problem? The question will have mentioned as inclined position, or it is the pipe is inclined and there is a Venturi meter which is attached to it, so it is an inclined Venturi meter problem. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Now from this question, tell me what is H here. What is H here? Okay, now before that we can do the datas, we can solve the datas. What is data number 1? Okay, we have a pipe diameter of 30 centimeter, right? So we have D1 of 30 centimeter, right? We have D2, yes, placed in a position where the where a Venturi meter is inserted having a throat dia, okay, of 15 centimeter. So D2 is 15 centimeter, right? Now the difference of pressure between the main and throat is measured by a liquid having specific gravity 0.6. Okay, now what is H here? We have two formulas. Okay, so what is the formula for H here? H is what? Since the specific gravity of the fluid which is flowing to the pipe is more than the specific gravity of the fluid in the manometer, so the formula will be X into 1 minus SL by SO, which is the specific gravity of the lighter liquid by the specific gravity of the fluid which is flowing through the pipe, right? So do we have this these datas? Okay, we have X here because inverted U-tube which gives a reading of 30 centimeter, so X is given, right? So X is given of 30 centimeter. Okay, so we can find this, right? So X is what? 30 into 1 minus, what is SL, specific gravity of the liquid which is flowing to the pipe? It is what? Flowing to the pipe is 0.6. Okay, specific gravity of the liquid is 0.6, while the fluid which is flowing to the pipe is water, so it is 1, right? So the answer will be 12 centimeter. Okay, do this problem at home. Okay, okay, so when you solve this you get 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter of what? It is water, right? Okay, now what is the question here? The question here is to find the loss of head between the main and the throat is 0.2 times the kinetic head of the pipe, right? So we have to find the V2, kinetic head V2. Okay, now how do we find V2 here? We can find V2 by doing the Bernoulli equation. I said that Bernoulli equation is applied only for incompressible fluid as well as where energy is considered. Okay, so from Bernoulli equation, okay, so from Bernoulli's equation, what is the formula? What is the formula? It is P1 by rho g plus V1 square by 2g plus Z1 is equal to P2 by rho g plus V2 square by 2g plus Z2. Okay, since we have a head loss here, since see the loss of head between the main and throat is 0.2 times the kinetic head, right? So we have a head loss. Okay, so we have to put the head loss. What is the head loss at the end? Plus HL. Okay, now, okay, so yeah, okay, now I forgot to mention here, since this is an inclined venturimeter and the H is what from the formula, it is P1 by rho g plus Z1 minus P2 by rho g plus Z2, right? So from this we can find out what P1 minus P2 here. If I rearrange the equation, P1 by rho g plus Z1 minus P2 by rho g plus Z2, okay, is equal to HL, right? So what is P1 by rho g plus Z1? It is 12 centimeter, right? So it is 12 centimeter. It is 12 plus, oh okay, sorry, we have another term also left, which is V1 square by 2g minus, I take this term to the other side, V2 square by 2g is equal to HL. Okay, so it is 12 centimeter plus V1 square by 2g minus V2 square by 2g is equal to, what is HL here? HL is given in the question, the loss of head between the main and the throat is 0.2 times the kinetic head of the pipe. So HL is what? It is 0.2 into V1 square by 2g, right? The kinetic head is V1 square by 2g. Okay, so HL can be written as 0.2 into V1 square by 2g. Okay, now in this you will have to find out what V1 and V2 is, right? So you will have to find out what V1 and V2 is. Now how do you find this V1 and V2? We can find this by continuity equation, because you have V1, you will have to find V2, but you have D1 and D2. Since you have D1 and D2, you can find out the area also, right? Okay, so I'll do the formula. So what is the formula for continuity equation? The formula for continuity equation is, so from continuity, by continuity equation, A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. So you can find out V2, okay, or V1, anything, okay. V2 is what? Okay, you find out V1, okay. V1 is what? V1 equal to A2 V2 by A1, right? So what is A2 here? A2 is pi by 4 into D2 square, right? So D2 is 15 centimeter into V2 by pi by 4 into D1 square, which is 30 square, right? So if I get the answer will be V2 by 4, right? Okay, do the calculation at home. Okay, 15 square by 30 square, it is 1 by 4. So we have V2 also left, right? So it is V2 by 4. Okay, now you can substitute this V1 in this equation, right? Okay, so if I substitute V1 here, what do I get? The equation will be, it will be 12 plus V1 square by 2g, right? So V1 is what? V2 square, right? V2 by 4. So it is V2 square by 8, okay, minus V2 square by 2g is equal to, it is equal to point, what is V1 here? It is 0.2, right? So it is 0.2 into V1 square by 2g. So it is V2 square by 8, okay, into 1 by 2g, right? So you can take V2 all in one side. So if I take V2 all in one side, what will be the answer be? So it is V12 plus V2 square. If I take common, it is 1 by 8 minus 1 by 2g, okay, minus 0.2 by 8 into 2g, okay, is equal to 0. So what do you get for V2? The V2 answer will be what? It is 157.4 centimeter per second. Okay, so I'll do this calculation. So if you have any doubts regarding this calculation, I'll do a separate video on this. Okay, do comment down in the comment section. Okay, if you want to know about the calculation part. So you get V2 here. So if you get V2, the question is to find out V1, right? Because the loss of head between the main throat is 0.2 times the kinetic head of the pipe. So the question is to find out V1, the kinetic head. So it since you have V2 here, okay, so V2, if you have V2, you can find out A to V2, right? So it is pi by 4 into 15 square into P2, which is 157.4. So the answer will be 27800 centimeter square per second. Okay, so I hope this is clear for you. Okay, now if you want to convert to liter per second, it is dividing by 1000. So 27800 by 1000, which is how much? 27.8 liter per second. Okay, so I hope this is clear for you on a question on inclined venturimeter. All the steps are same. Okay, all the steps are same. Only thing is that only formula which is different is this formula, which you have to keep in mind. Okay, if you didn't see that video on equations on venturimeter, I'll put the link down in the description box. Okay, do watch that video so you get a good idea on the formulas that has to be used for these questions. So if you found this video informative, do like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.